Introducing the household rice bucket, a cornerstone of convenience in your kitchen. In the heart of every home, where stories are shared and memories are made, stands the humble yet essential household rice bucket. A vessel of sustenance and tradition, it holds the promise of hearty meals and brings loved ones together. With its sturdy design and airtight seal, the household rice bucket ensures that your grains stay fresh, preserving their natural flavor and nutritional goodness. Say goodbye to stale rice and hello to the delightful aroma of perfectly cooked grains. Next, the spice jar, your passport to a world of flavor and culinary creativity. In the tapestry of cooking, where every dish is a masterpiece, the spice jar is your secret weapon. Compact yet mighty, it holds the key to transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary adventures. With its sleek design and airtight seal, the spice jar ensures that the vibrant aromas and potent flavors of your favorite spices are preserved at their peak. Next, meet the dumpling maker machine, your kitchen's new best friend, making delicious moments effortlessly easy. In the heart of your culinary haven, where innovation meets tradition, the dumpling maker machine takes center stage. Say goodbye to tedious hours of manual dumpling crafting and hello to a world of convenience at your fingertips. With its sleek design and intuitive controls, this machine transforms the art of dumpling making into a seamless experience. Next, the Enthusiast M1, a cutting-edge marvel that transcends boundaries, merging innovation with elegance. At the forefront of technology, the Enthusiast M1 stands as a testament to precision engineering and sleek design. A harmonious blend of form and function, it's not just a device, it's an experience. With its state-of-the-art features and intuitive interface, the Enthusiast M1 opens up a world of possibilities at your fingertips. Seamlessly navigate through tasks, immerse yourself in vibrant visuals, and unlock new dimensions of productivity with this technological masterpiece. Next, the flame diffuser, your kitchen's silent guardian, transforming ordinary flames into a symphony of controlled warmth and culinary mastery. In the heart of your culinary sanctuary, where precision meets passion, the flame diffuser takes center stage. Next, the Willet table lamp, where elegance meets innovation. Narrator. Illuminate your space with sophistication and style. The Willet table lamp is not just a lamp, it's a statement piece designed to enhance the ambience of any room. Narrator. Crafted with precision and attention to detail. Next, ready to elevate your senses with the Crazy Fun diffuser, the ultimate blend of style and relaxation. Next, the Essential Oil diffuser, your passport to a world of tranquility and well-being. Next, transform the way you safeguard your home with the Smart Door Alarm, the ultimate in intelligent security. Welcome to enhanced security with the Window Alarm, your silent guardian for peace of mind at home. With the Refrigerator Alarm, say goodbye to the worry of spoiled food. This is not just a beep, it's a promise of freshness. The Cabinet Alarm is your key to peace of mind. It's not just a beep, it's a promise of protection for what matters most to you. Next, the portable clothes dryer, your on-the-go solution for hassle-free laundry days, wherever life takes you. Narrator. Say goodbye to damp clothes and hello to convenience. This compact marvel is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, providing a quick and efficient drying experience without the need for a traditional dryer. Next, our powerful spray cleaner, your go-to solution for a spotless, sparkling clean home. Narrator. Cleaning has never been this easy and satisfying. Say goodbye to dirt, grime, and unwanted residues as you unleash the cleaning power of our specially formulated spray. Narrator. Designed for efficiency, our spray cleaner tackles tough stains and everyday messes with ease. Watch as it effortlessly lifts away impurities, leaving surfaces gleaming and refreshed. Next, the Roborock Diet Pro seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to redefine clean. Narrator. Equipped with advanced laser navigation, this smart device effortlessly maps your home, ensuring it never misses a spot. Next, the laundry hamper, your trusted ally in keeping your space tidy and organized. Narrator. Say farewell to scattered clothes and hello to seamless storage with our thoughtfully designed laundry solution. This hamper isn't just a practical necessity, it's a stylish addition to your home. Narrator. Crafted with durability and elegance in mind, our laundry hamper effortlessly blends into any room, providing a discreet and efficient way to corral your dirty laundry. Narrator: toss in your clothes with ease and let the spacious interior handle the rest. With a design that maximizes capacity without sacrificing style, our laundry hamper is a true space-saving hero. Next, the laundry hamper, your trusted ally in keeping your space tidy and organized. Narrator: say farewell to scattered clothes and hello to seamless storage with our thoughtfully designed laundry solution. This hamper isn't just a practical necessity, it's a stylish addition to your home. Narrator: crafted with durability and elegance in mind, our laundry hamper effortlessly blends into any room, providing a discreet and efficient way to corral your dirty laundry. Narrator: toss in your clothes with ease and let the spacious interior handle the rest. With a design that maximizes capacity without sacrificing style, our laundry hamper is a true space-saving hero. Next, Evopo stands as a beacon of ingenuity, pushing boundaries to redefine what's achievable. Narrator: Evopo isn't just a brand, it's a philosophy. A celebration of creativity, a journey into the extraordinary, where each product is a testament to craftsmanship and vision. From cutting-edge technology to sleek design, Evopo creates an immersive experience, seamlessly blending form and function. It's not just about products, it's about elevating lifestyles. Next, the Makita 40V Max X GT series, where power meets precision, setting a new standard in cordless innovation. Experience the true freedom of cordless with the Makita 40V Max X GT, delivering unmatched performance and runtime for the most demanding applications. Whether you're on the job site or tackling projects around the house, the XGT series is engineered to excel.